Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're talking about a product that promises to bring the salon straight to your fingertips. If you're someone who loves a fresh mani without the hassle of glue or damaging your nails, then this one might just be for you. We're reviewing the Olive & June Effect Super Stick Mani Press-On Nails. And trust me, this one has a few unique features that you'll want to know about. Now, let's break it down. The Olive & June Effects Super Stick Mani Press-On Nails come in the extra short round shape, which is perfect for those who like a natural look without going over the top. The big selling point? No glue needed. Yep, you heard that right. These press-ons use adhesive tabs that make the process so much easier. No mess, no fuss, just a perfectly applied set of nails. Inside the box, you get 32 press-on nails in 16 different sizes. This means you'll be able to find the right fit for your nail shape, which is always a plus. The tabs themselves are designed for a real, long-lasting fit, and that's something that sets these apart from other press-ons. You get a good, secure hold without worrying about the nails popping off midday. And here's another bonus. These nails last up to 7 days. That's a whole week of looking polished without the maintenance of traditional manicures. Perfect for anyone who's constantly on the go or just doesn't have time for regular salon trips. Speaking of the adhesive tabs, they're not just any adhesive. The brand claims they're the longest lasting tabs on the market, and I found this to be true. The nails held up really well through daily activities, washing my hands, typing on my keyboard, even cooking, and they didn't budge. The best part? They remove easily without damaging your natural nails. No glue residue, no sticky mess. The adhesive tabs peel off with no hassle at all, making it a breeze to switch up your nails without worrying about long-term damage. Let's talk about the application process. It's pretty straightforward. You start by finding the right nail size for each finger. Then you push back your cuticles, gently buff your nails, and wipe them down with the prep pad. Once your nails are prepped, you find the matching tab from the patented wheel and apply it to your nail. After that, simply press the press-on nail onto the tab, hold for 30 seconds, and voila, you're done. The whole process takes just a few minutes, which makes it perfect for anyone who's looking for a quick and easy mani. As with anything, there are a few downsides. For one, the nails are on the shorter side, which may not be ideal for people who prefer longer tips. They also have a very natural, understated look, so if you're someone who loves bold, dramatic nails, you might not find these as exciting. While the 16 size options are great for a more personalized fit, there are still some limitations depending on the unique shape of your nails. But overall, the fit was good, and I didn't have any issues with sizing. Now, let's address the value for money. Given the ease of use and how long these nails last, I think the price is quite reasonable. Olive & June have made a name for themselves with quality products, and these press-ons are no exception. If you're looking for a no-fuss manicure that lasts, these are a great choice. The best part? The set includes everything you need for a salon-worthy look. Nails, tabs, a file, a buffer, prep pad, and instructions. So you're getting a complete package that's super convenient. Comparing these press-ons to other brands on the market, I'd say the adhesive tabs are a game changer. Many other press-on nails require glue or offer less lasting wear, which puts these at the top for anyone who values ease of application and a damage-free removal process. While some press-ons can feel bulky or cheap, the Olive & June Effect nails have a more natural, lightweight feel, which is a huge plus. The build quality of these nails is solid. The materials used feel durable but light, and they maintain their shape throughout the wear. I haven't noticed any cracking or breaking, even after a full week of use, which speaks to their longevity. And, since the tabs don't leave any residue or cause nail damage, they can be reapplied multiple times, which adds to their overall value. Now, I haven't had to contact customer service yet, but Olive & June has a good reputation for customer support. So, if you do have any issues with sizing or the product itself, you're in safe hands. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something at a lower price point, there are a few options out there, but I'd say they don't offer the same no-glue, easy-off feature that Olive & June nails do. If you're not willing to splurge on these, you can try some more affordable press-ons that still offer decent results. But keep in mind, you might lose out on the longevity and convenience of this product. To wrap it up, the Olive & June Effects Super Stick Mani Press-On Nails are a solid choice for anyone looking for a quick, easy, and damage-free manicure. The adhesive tabs are a brilliant feature. The fit is great for most nails, and they last up to 7 days. While the design is on the more natural side, they offer a very realistic, polished look. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a reliable, mess-free mani, these nails are definitely worth checking out. If this review was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue bringing honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've used these nails, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.